Let me show you how to efficiently manage drivers in ezLoads. Let's get started. Start by navigating to the Drivers tab. Here, you'll see a detailed list of all your drivers, including key information like type, status, hire date, truck and trailer assignments, payable to, and any warnings. Drivers in ezLoads can have one of three statuses: applicant, hired, or terminated. Terminated drivers are hidden from the main list, but you can always access their records by clicking Show Inactive Drivers. Now, let's see how to create a new driver. Click New to open the driver profile form. Enter the driver's basic details such as name, email, phone number, and address. You can upload a profile picture by clicking Update Photo, a quick way to personalize the account. Set their status, applicant or hired, depending on whether you're onboarding them right away or keeping them as a potential hire. In the Payable To section, choose who the payment is made to. By default, Create New Vendor is checked using the driver's profile info. Uncheck it to select an existing vendor or create a new one. After filling out the required details, click Save. Once saved, additional sections like Documents will appear. From here, you can upload and manage compliance files like CDL, medical cards, and drug tests. Keeping these up to date helps avoid compliance issues. If you initially saved the driver as an applicant, you can hire them at any time by clicking the Hire link at the top of their profile, assigning their hire date, and saving your changes. Finally, in the driver profile, you can set pay rates for owner-operators and company drivers, whether by mile, percentage, or flat rate. Configure scheduled deductions, including additions, deductions, loans, or escrow payments. Additional payees, such as an equipment owner or dispatcher. And invite the driver to the driver app, allowing them to upload documents and receive dispatched loads instantly. Once accepted, the icon turns green, indicating the driver app is active. And that's it. With ezLoads, managing drivers from onboarding to compliance is simple and efficient, helping you focus on growing your business. Need extra help? Reach our support team at support@ezloads.net. Enjoy using ezLoads.